A no-signal error on your Xfinity box appears as a black screen or error message, indicating the box isn't receiving data from the cable source. Common causes include HDMI connection issues, incorrect TV input selection, faulty coaxial cable, or temporary hardware glitches. First, ensure your HDMI cable is securely connected to both the Xfinity box and the correct HDMI input on your TV. Next, use your TV remote to verify you've selected the correct HDMI input channel. Then, check that the coaxial cable from the wall outlet to the box is firmly attached and undamaged. Finally, reboot the box by unplugging it from power for 60 seconds, then plugging it back in to clear temporary glitches. If basic fixes like rebooting don't resolve the no-signal issue, you may have a deeper hardware or signal problem. Start by using the Xfinity app to run a signal strength test, which can identify potential coaxial cable issues. If the signal strength is weak, check your coaxial cable setup. Remove any unnecessary splitters or extra connections that could be splitting the signal and causing loss. For persistent no-signal problems, especially if you suspect a damaged coaxial cable, contact Xfinity support. They can send a technician to inspect and repair the cable infrastructure. Looking ahead, Xfinity is moving away from traditional cable boxes towards streaming services like Flex. These rely on internet connections instead of coaxial cables, reducing infrastructure-related no-signal issues. In the future, AI-driven diagnostics and smart home integration will automate troubleshooting. Features like voice-activated reboots and predictive failure alerts will become common through devices like Amazon Echo. Finally, consider replacing any aging or damaged cables with newer, high-quality versions. Ensure all components are functional to maintain reliable signal strength.